NASA Opportunity do you receive? R is down to 22 watts over. NASA to Opportunity do you receive? Registering just 0.1% sunlight over. I'll be please wake up. U. Music. Due to a record-breaking global scaled dust storm that enveloped Mars in 2018, NASA lost contact with its Opportunity rover launched in the summer of 2003. The hardy little robot survived for over 14 years after it was designed to last just 90 Martian days. The last messages NASA received from the rover basically translated to "my battery is low and it's getting dark." Opportunity was launched with a twin rover named Spirit, which had stopped contacting NASA in 2010 after becoming trapped in a sand dune at such an angle it had trouble charging its solar panels. The rovers were designed to enter hibernation mode if the power became too low, saving just enough power to keep the clock running and periodically waking up to check the power level before going back to sleep. If the power was still too low, NASA scientists held hope that once the dust storm had cleared, Martian winds would remove the dust from its solar panels and allow Opportunity to recharge. As this had happened before, the worry was that the power had dipped so low Opportunity's clock could not even tell the time, therefore couldn't prompt it to wake up and check the power levels. The Martian winter was also closing in, and with Opportunity unable to activate its nighttime heating system, the blisteringly cold temperatures of Mars could essentially freeze the rover to death after months of trying and failing to contact Opportunity in the usual way. And with time growing short, NASA decided to attempt a series of high-risk, last-ditch efforts to save Opportunity. I'm your host Alan, and you're watching Elder Fox. A primary rule of troubleshooting an ailing rover is do not touch the spacecraft clock. The clock on board Opportunity was responsible for prompting when it should wake up during the Martian day and when it should sleep. However, with the possibility that the power had gotten so low the clock had switched off, NASA believed Opportunity's clock could be similar to an alarm clock, perpetually blinking 12 a.m. after a power cut. After taking the drastic measure of resetting the clock, NASA scientists were disheartened when they didn't receive a response. The dust storm had cleared, and NASA even had a visual on Opportunity from its orbiting spacecraft. The windy season was coming to an end, diluting any hopes that the wind would help to clear its solar panels. With winter closing in, time was growing short. Another possible cause of Opportunity's silence was thought to have been a problem with its radio antenna. The rover had to such antenna, one for direct contact with Earth and one for contact with orbiting spacecraft. NASA tried forcing Opportunity to contact orbiting spacecraft rather than direct